Good. Oh, no, she said no. Come on now.
Well, she won't do it
You can
if
jump.
she has it locked.
Come on. Come on, you.
She says.
Mm.
Check it out. The baby's freestanding right now. Here, we move back down your shadow. Look at the baby. She's even doing a little jig. She's just standing here. Oh my God. She says, okay, she's never stood like this, freestanding. And she's even chewing on a block. Look how smug she is. She's like, oh, I'll chew on a block and dance a little jig even. There she goes. And then she just let herself down easily.
Good balance, baby.
Wow.
Now stand up now. Come on. I'll help you.
She said, that's enough now. Okay.